Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukairude. Madatsukairude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you the continued video of the transmission overhaul of my 68 Baja bug. Today I finished mounting the engine to the transmission, so it's a big progress. But unfortunately, I ran out of time, so I stopped the video there. But it's really exciting. I can run the motor in a week or so, I hope, depending on my free time is. But anyways, this is how it went. Okay, I'm gonna connect this guy. Sounds like I'm shifting, I think. I think so. Okay. I think this is working now. Okay. Now the starter is on and everything is on, so it's ready to put the motor back. I'll try my best. Okay. Now 4 nuts is on, so I'm gonna start wrenching the nut. But it's good. I hope the bottom part is not really damaged much, but we'll see later. So now the motor is on the transmission. That's good. That's a big progress. It's almost there. I tightened the 4 bolts for the motor plus 1 nut for the starter, and the starter electric is already connected. So I have to work on the electric port. And also, I adjusted the clutch a little bit, but I don't know. I need to double check later. I also have the fuel lights coming here. Just connect to here, and that the cabin air thing, I struggled a little bit, but I haven't tightened the clamp, hose clamp on the front side, and the other side is also I have to work on that. And then put this guy, but I also, before putting back that wheel, I'm gonna put the transmission oil, and so first I'm gonna use the used one with filtered, and then run it for a while, and then after that I'm gonna replace it with a new one. I also have to put the motor oil, and that's about it. It's almost there. It depends on my free time, but I think I can finish in one day or 2 days. It's almost there. So I'm gonna stop the video here. It's exciting. I hope it's gonna run fine. But let's see how it goes. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.